Alright guys, what's going on today? Today we're going to be installing some seats in my Genesis Coupe. I got new seats. Putting these in. I'm taking the old ones out. So these are the old ones. These are the old fabric seats. So I'm going to take those out. I'm going to go from this to this. So it's pretty simple taking out the seats. You just got to watch out for the harness underneath. There's 4 bolts. One here, one there, and the 2 are in the back. And the last, there's one right there, over there, and the seats come right out. Alright, so we got our 14 mil. We take off the 2 bolts right here, and the other one right there. So I'm just pulling those off right now, and this one's off. Just pulling the second one out. So the rear one has a little clip on it. Should bring it right. You can see these little covers. You got to pull the covers off, and then same thing on the other side. You have the 14 mil underneath that as well. All right, so we pulled out the covers. These are the covers. They're literally easy to pull off. They're literally 5 clips, or just prime out with the flathead, and you can easily get both of them out. And then they have the rest 2 remaining, or the last 2 remaining 14 mils right here. So make sure you do not lose the washers. There's washers on all 4 bolts. Okay, there you go. I moved that up. Got a lot of mess underneath this. Holy shit. Can I clean that out? I haven't seen that. Alright, so now we're going to disconnect the wiring harness. So there's 3 connectors you got to take off because this is your main harness. So you have the 1, 2, and 3. You can pull those out, and then you can just take off the whole seat. Now for those, this is the same thing. So you have the seat belt and you have the seat warmer, so you gotta be careful you don't break anything off. One tab right here. For the white clip or the white connector, there's 1 tab. Just pull it in. There you go, that one's out. And the second one's right here. Pull that one upwards, comes right out. And third one, this one has a little black tab at the top. Now you just pull that one up. Boom, there comes the last one. Now you just pull up the
that's what the sound makes.
And pull this out with the flat, with the what do you call that, with the plier. There's a little clip on the back here. Pull it out and this thing comes right out. Alright, so we got the seats out. I ended up cutting that connector. The thing pissed me off, so I ended up cutting that little clip off. But yeah, so that's the old seat, that's the new seat. I'm gonna clean up, I already had the seats shampooed. I'm gonna clean up the rail at the bottom, and then plug the connector in, and we're gonna put the seats in. These are off a 2013 BK2, so these are BK2 seats and BK1 seats. They're interchangeable. You can literally just take them off, swap them on. This is the passenger side. So this was taken off a base model as well, so this doesn't have the heated seats, but it's roughly all the same all around. Now we're just gonna Alright, so we're gonna vacuum the car right now, or under the seat. You can see there's a lot of stuff that came out. I didn't know it was there. Oh, is your pipe long enough?
My pipe is always long enough. Press that on button.
Alright, so while we're getting that cleaned out, I'm gonna work on the seat, just clean out the bottom a bit, and then we're gonna put the seats in. Alright, so with the clip, I did it the other way on the old seat. On this seat, you can see that there's a little tab right there. You just push the tab up, and it comes right out. So that literally, you open the tab up, it pulls it right out. Now we're gonna put this seat in, put the cable in this tab, screw it back in, and yeah, we're gonna bolt it down. See how it goes.
Look at this big man over here.
Yeah, eh? Shit.
Nice.
Connectors are literally the same, just plug and play. So the connectors are all the same, so you just plug the connectors in. Okay, put that in there. This one connects right here. In. That one goes in right there. Make sure you put the black tab in. There you go. And make sure you tighten this cable up, give it a little bit of slack. I think I should move. There you go. Now we're gonna put the seat back in. All right, so we got the seat in. This is the old seat, and there's the new one. Make sure you align the rails, plug the connector in. Make sure you tighten them, because well, these seats have to hold you in, right? So make sure you tighten the bolts down. Let's get started on the driver's side. We're gonna do this side next. Same procedure. The 2 bolts right here and there, and 2 in the back. We're gonna pull it out. You can see the drive ceiling has 2 connectors. Those are the 2, and that's the same 4 bolts. All right, so we got the driver's seat in. Like I said, it's a pretty same thing as the passenger seat, except the driver's seat doesn't have the 1 extra connector that the passenger has. You can see we bolted in, we tightened them down, and it looks good now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna be doing a burnout in this, and then after that we're gonna put a straight pipe exhaust on this and see how it sounds. Now this has the tune on it as well, so let's check it out. Thanks for watching.